Hi children, welcome back in our online grammar classes. Dear students, I hope you all are fine and enjoying watching videos. Keep watching our videos regularly and study regularly. Dear students, in our previous video we have learned the lesson number 13, 14 that is on adjective. Okay, the first lesson that is 13, we learned the types of adjective like adjective of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number. And in 14th lesson, we learned the adjective of means comparative adjectives. Okay, degrees of comparison. So, dear student, we have seen when we compare two people, two things, two places, two animals, we use comparative degree. Okay, and for comparing more than two people, two places, two animals or two things, we use superlative degree. Again, we use simplest form of adjective in positive degree. In comparative degree, we use comparative adjective. After that, we take than. Okay, like stronger than, cooler than, bigger than, smaller than. And in superlative degree, we take the before superlative adjective, like the hottest, the coolest, the biggest. Okay, now again we learn some rules how to make adjective from simplest form to comparative form and how to change comparative form to superlative form. But there are some adjectives which are irregular forms. Some adjectives have irregular forms of comparison, means they don't follow any rule. So let's read and learn these all adjectives. Positive form is good, its comparative form is better, and the superlative form is best. Simply while making all adjectives, we could make it good, gooder or goodest, but means we add er or est suffixes. But for these adjectives, these are irregular adjectives, that's why they don't follow any rule. Okay, they have separate and these forms. So let's read them once. Good, better, best, bad, worse, worst. Okay, once see the spelling of worst. W-O-R-S-T worst and W-O-R-S-T worst. Little, less, least. Many, more, most, far, farther. Far, further. F-U-R-T-H-E-R, further and furthest. F-U-R-T-H-E-S-T. Okay, dear student, here the spelling is F-A-R-T-H-E-R, farther, and here farthest. Okay, farthest. So these are regular words, adjectives. You have to rewrite this in your notebook and learn them. Now let's solve next activity. Question number E is given here on the next page. Fill in the blanks with the correct degree of comparison given in the brackets. So adjectives are given in the brackets. We have to fill these forms, these blank spaces, by using the correct comparative or superlative degree. Now see, first sentence is here. Carol is dash dash than and. Now dear student, if in sentence, if than is there, so where we use than? We use than in comparative degree. When we compare two things, we use than after adjective. Means if than is there in the sentence, we should take the comparative degree. Okay, comparative adjective. And if there is the before blank space, then we should take the superlative form of that adjective. So here we are comparing Carol with and, means two people are there, two girls are there. So we should take here comparative degree, comparative adjective. So the comparative form of pretty is prettier. Okay, because the last letter is Y here, so we should add here I-E-R. Let's write it prettier. P-R-E-T-T-I-E-R. Here. Second sentence. Mahatma Gandhi was the dash Indian freedom fighter. Now students, the is here. It means this sentence is in superlative degree. So let's write the superlative form of great, that is greatest. Okay. Again, third one. May is the dash month of the year. In bracket, adjective is given hot. Now the is there in this sentence before adjective. It means this is the superlative sentence. So we have to add superlative form of hot, that is hotter. Sorry, hottest. HOTTEST, hottest. Fourth one, are you dash or dash than your sister. Now than is here in the sentence after adjective. It means this is comparative with this sentence, and we should take here comparative adjective. So are you younger, YOUNGER, or older, OLDER, than your sister. Fifth sentence, Kathy is the dash girl in our class. Now again, the is here in this sentence is in superlative. So the is here in the sentence. Okay, Kathy is the dash girl in our class, and in bracket adjective is given intelligent. So dear student, because the is here, that's why this sentence is in superlative form. So we should take superlative adjective of intelligent. Intelligent is in simplest form. Its comparative form is more intelligent, and superlative form is most intelligent. So let's write here most intelligent. Okay. Now we pause this video and take screenshot. Remaining sentences again we will write here only. Sixth sentence is here. Math is dash than history, but English is the dash and the dash subject of all. Dear students, 3 blank spaces are given and 3 options means 3 adjectives are given in the bracket. Okay, if we see the first blank space, that is given here. If after adjective then is there, it means that is the comparative degree. So we should take here the comparative form of the first adjective, that is difficult. And difficult, this word, this adjective has more syllable than one. That's why we should take here more. Okay, its comparative form is more. So let's write here more difficult. Okay, then math is more, but English is the. Now if the is there, it means we should take superlative form. So the and good. Now adjective is good, but it is irregular adjective, so its superlative form is good, better, best. So let's write here the best again, and the dash subject. Again the is here means superlative form of easy, easiest. Okay, in this way we have solved this. Now let's see the 7th sentence. I leave the dash from school, and my journey is the. So 2 adjectives we have to use here, and before the blank space the is given here. It means we should use superlative form of given adjectives. So first adjective we have to use far, and its superlative form is farthest. FARTHEST. Okay, this one is the irregular adjective. Again, the superlative form of long is longest. Okay, so I live the farthest from school, and my journey is the longest. Okay, 8th sentence is I did the dash than you in my case, but Bruce did the dash in the class. 2 sentences are here. In the first sentence, after first blank space, than is given here. We have to write here comparative form of adjective. So first, one adjective is only given, means we have to use this bad adjective 2 times. Okay. So comparative form of bad is worse, WORSE, and here but Bruce did the. Now superlative form of bad is worse. WORST, worst in the class. Okay. Ninth sentence and 10th sentence, this remaining two sentences you take as your homework. You have to solve this by your own and you have to send me the photo. Okay. I hope you understood this video very well. Remaining part we will continue in our next video.